Look at this. This must have been so scary. Plane coming into land. British Airways, I believe at Heathrow in London, England. And there was so much wind. Just try to force the plane down. So there it is. Right there. Oh, look at that. One time I was going to Florida and the plane went back up. Uh, somebody was crossing the runway, and I wondered what the hell's going on. Plane was coming in for a nice landing, and all of a sudden it pulls up, and then not too long after that, the captain came on and told us somebody was driving across the runway in Miami. And that's why they had to pull up and go around again. Terrible feeling.